Welcome to TTI! Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines! Today we're going to explore some extremely useful machines which are indeed representing a glimpse into the future. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video!
Number 1.
WildCrop BURSTE WB750. Weed is very resistant vegetation that can grow even in the most adverse conditions. It can push through the road's cracks and spoil the aesthetic appearance of parks, sidewalks, and pathways. To ensure weed removal from the pathway's edge areas, a nozzle with a vertically rotating disc and a hydraulically driven weed brush are needed. The plate broom has a diameter of 750 millimeters and is equipped with flat wire bundles, so that even the most stubborn dirt is no longer an obstacle. This disc allows you to remove any kind of wild herbs and is very easy and effortless, and after all the process, it's chemical-free. In addition, the fast rotating brush can cut extra weeds and throw them away. This German-made machine, which is also known as WildCrop BURSTE WB750, can clear areas of high-resistant scrub and the tiles on the sidewalk surface.
Number 2.
Becx HS131HR. Keeping the city neat and clean is a complex task, which requires a lot of work and procedures. A lot of money is needed too. However, this machine, the Becx HS131HR, is a special-purpose mechanical hedge cutter designed to cut hedges quickly and neatly. It is quite compact, so it can go easily on narrow sidewalks and paths. It is equipped with a nozzle and a cutter at its front that can cut branches and leaves in a few seconds, leaving very neat and cut surfaces. Inside, there are 3 motors and 3 live heads. This piece of equipment weighs 157 kilograms and is powered by hydro motors that ensure low noise levels. The nozzle height is adjustable and it can cut even a very high hedge. The nozzle is connected to a pipe through which all the branches and leaves fall into the machine's cargo storage tank. Thanks to this design, only one unit can independently trim edges. It doesn't need someone to clean up the mess after the work is done.
Number 3.
Rapten. The engineers who created this device were extremely tired because of constant bush trimming. This process is time-consuming, can cause backaches, and is a boring process altogether. The process of cutting bushes into smooth and beautiful shapes requires ordinary scissors. However, it takes a lot of time and specific skills. Doing the same with another bush nearby to look aesthetically pleasing is even more difficult, as you need to stick to a certain bush size. This machine is developed for automatic trimming that gives the desired appearance to one plant in only 10 seconds. That's amazing! The position of its knives is set once at the beginning, and then you can be sure that all of the bushes will have the same shape and size. Imagine what you can do with this machine. You can cut garden areas with large and small bushes. The trimming size can be customized that suits individual needs. Here in this video, you can see how 40-centimeter bushes are being trimmed.
Number 4.
KISTEN Transporter KT20. Some companies are working on apple cultivation. For this, they use special equipment to transport the ripe harvested fruits. This is the job of the KISTEN Transporter KT20. Due to its compact dimensions, it's easy to use among apple trees, and fortunately, it doesn't do any damages to the trees. This machine shows an amazing performance, as it can carry 22 boxes full of fruits or 29 empty boxes. A unique feature of this machine is that boxes can be stored one above the other, forming 3 floors into the cargo cart. The machine uses a retractable forklift to pick up the boxes and pull them into a loading platform. When all the boxes are on the platform, the operator lifts them up to the top level. The vehicle is then ready again to load and transport the fruits. This machine speeds up both the loading operation in the garden and the handling operation in the factory.
Number 5.
HS131HR COBRA. This machine has been designed to collect trimmed branches and other wood products. Its boom can be equipped with a bucket or a grapple. It lifts the timber materials and then puts them into a special chipper. It can handle even the thickest of trunks of very hard trees. The trunks are turned into wood chips in the grinding unit called a chipper before being transported to the cargo basket. This machine can eat hardwood with a 45 cm diameter and softwood of 56 cm thick. It is produced by the German company Jens. The main feature of this particular vehicle is that it has excellent maneuverability. Jens engineers designed it with the expectation that people living and driving on mountainous areas would want to go off the road. That is why this machine can be maneuvered on difficult areas. The COBRA is an excellent technologically advanced alternative to chipper-equipped tractors, due to the reason that it can reach its maximum speed of 80 km/h and it can be used even in enclosed spaces. This vehicle has HGV motors, rotors of 820 mm diameter that consists of 14 sharp blades.
Number 6.
Boudis Bagger RM 8000. High-capacity plants producing 10,000 tons of silage per year. For this massive production, it requires specialized, powerful equipment to collect it all. This machine has been designed to facilitate the silage compression. The Boudis Bagger RM 8000 has been produced by the German company Boudis Bagger. Thanks to its 175 horsepower engine and a 250 horsepower motor, now it can harvest from 90 to 150 tons of silage per hour. It is equipped with a hydraulic system with 8 rotors, 9 tunnels, and is relatively simple to operate. First, it has a bag for collection of silage in it, then a tractor is used to transport the material to a special platform. A unique feature of this machine is that it helps to reduce silage losses. The platform is equipped with protective panels on all sides that do not allow the silage to fall onto the ground, hence it fills the bag completely. Its working width, 5.3 meters, weighs 10.4 tons, and it has hydraulic steering, a feed table with rubber belt, a 2-meter roller, and double pressure brakes.
Number 7.
Rapidrex Twister. Hay making is an important process in any farm, as hay is the perfect food for some animals, especially if we consider that it's not always possible to feed them with fresh food. Hay harvest should be done as fast as possible, because rainfall can significantly degrade its quality and even make it rot. Hay is usually harvested with a special pitchfork. It is difficult for few people to harvest the hay of a whole field in just a few days. Hence, this machine has been specially designed to work on steep slopes. It allows to easily pick up hay and transport it to a flat field area from where a forklift or a special hay compacting machine can transport it. Because of this, work becomes less tiring and saves a lot of time. Its working widths are between 203 and 206 centimeters and weighs just 75 kilograms. Thanks for watching! Which machine did you find the most impressive, and why? Let me know the reasons in the comments below. If you're new here, then feel free to subscribe and be my friend. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace! Bye-bye now.